Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Telegram message code. So open the Telegram app. So when it's open, you will see on the top first message is login code. So I will already log in. So when you open the Telegram, if you are new user on Telegram, you will just add your phone number and just click to login, and it will be sent the code in the Telegram chat. You will just copy the code and paste it here. It's for verification, human verification, and it will be logged in. So you will see this code can be used to log in into your Telegram account. We never ask it for anything else. If you didn't request this code by trying to log in another device, simply ignore this message. So I hope you will just understand all the procedures. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.